Okay, so now let's start with the interesting functionality in function. Like earlier, we have seen how to pass various parameters in the function. But many a time you may feel a situation where you actually don't know how many parameters are going to come up in the function. Is it going to be one parameter, two, three, four, or what? So if you are not sure how many parameters are going to come in the function, then there is an important functionality or provision in Python where you can pass arbitrary arguments in the function. Now, what are arbitrary arguments? So arbitrary arguments are something which indicates Python that, hey Python, here we are expecting a variable number of parameter. We don't know a priori that how many parameters are going to come in. And how to define an arbitrary parameter? So it's a straightforward where you have to just define the function, and after defining the function you have to write a star and whatever be the name that you want to put in. It may be param, it may be something else, it may be abc as well, right? So you can put anything here as arbitrary parameter, and then after defining the function, what we are doing, as we know that there will be multiple parameters going to come up, so I am just running a loop in arbitrary parameter on arbitrary parameter and trying to print it. So whatever comes in the arbitrary parameter, that will be stored inside in a tuple. So what I am doing, I am running a loop on tuple and printing whatever be the value which is coming out of the loop. Okay, and while calling this function, I am passing variable parameters, like here 7 parameters I am passing. Let's run it and see what comes out. So it is successfully handled. If the number of parameters we are passing, instead of 8 we are passing 5 parameters, instead of 7 we are just passing 5 parameters, then you can see again the function runs successfully, right? So this is a very important parameter and very important functionality to run with. All right, now next thing is, apart from arbitrary parameter, if you want to pass a complete list in the function, then can we pass it? So yes, function support list as well. What you have to do, you have to define a function, and after defining a function, what I am doing here is I am just printing whatever be the elements are storing in the list, and then I have defined a list here and then passing this list while calling the function. And as soon as I pass the list in the function call, I could see the outputs are being displayed. Right now, next thing is returning a value from the function. So you know that if you run a function, then after running it, it may return some value back to the calling function, right? So how we can do it? It's just a return keyword that you have to use along the function. So you have to define a function, take few parameters, and after taking few parameters, whatever be the output here, which earlier we were printing, so instead of printing it, what we are doing it, we are just returning it back to the calling function, and from the calling function we are printing it, right? So we are calling the function, and here we are passing two parameter. The control from here will go to here, and after going to here, it will be passed here where the two values will be added up, and whatever be the result comes from this entire statement, that will come back to this main function, and it is going to be shown here. So you can see 10 is being displayed. All right, so that was about the functions. Now in the next discussion we are going to discuss about Python lambda. Okay, thank you.